What's more expensive, investing in a bit of structure right now or ripping out a broken system 2 years down the road?
It's more expensive to rip out the entire system later, and not because it might cost a lot to hire a team or good people to actually help you implement something like that, but more because it not only does it take time away from your team during that moment when you're recreating those processes, but during, let's say, those full 2 years, you're less efficient than you could have been. So a lot of people think about the cost of, okay, we'll rebuild this later. We'll put the money, towards something later when we engage with an organization to help us do this, or hire to do it internally, or just do it with our current resources. They don't think about the cost that they're losing in the meantime, or the kind of the sunk costs that they're potentially going to be seeing over the next several years. So you might be saying, okay, we don't have a good place to track our goals, our metrics, our projects. We are able to do it, but maybe it takes 10, 15 hours a week to be able to cobble this all together into one weekly report for the whole company. So that's a lot of time and a lot of money over the course of those several years. And a lot of people just don't take that into consideration. They just assume, oh, we have the team to do it. If we need to hire someone else, we can do it. And the cost is essentially the cost of implementation. But you kind of miss the opportunity cost, which does end up being fairly large. And if your goal is 2 years, it's probably going to be 4 or 5 years. So the timeline is always going to grow larger. I know every time we approach a project, we think we're going to do it in the next amount of time, and it usually ends up being pushed back, prioritized lower when we have bigger things coming up. So that opportunity cost is definitely the biggest element. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot, and if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. We're currently opening up 4 more slots for our Jira strategy. We only run 4 of these per month. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.